Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. So I know we're all busy getting baskets done, getting baskets made. I've been popping in and out of lives today, but I have gotten a lot done today. I did get all of the sidewalk chalk wrapped up from one box. I still have several more boxes. I wasn't fortunate enough to find those that were already wrapped, but I've gotten them wrapped up. And what I do is when I finish a basket and I cut the top off, the little handle part that we tie our bows to, when I cut that off, I save that paper and wrap my sidewalk chalk in it so that I don't waste it. And then I just shrink wrap it and it looks like it came that way. All right, and then I just stick it in my basket here. And I'm going to show you this basket here that I just finished. So this is the wagon. All right, in the wagon I have our little wish doll that I had showed you all. I put my sidewalk chalk here. Got some eggs with candy in them down there. I also have our parade cotton candy, and this is the big container from Sam's Club. All right, and then we have a Peeps lip balm there. There's our Bubble Bubbles. Then we have the Disney Princess Shrink and Play. Let's see if you all can guess what that is from. All right, now let me just turn the basket around. I'm going to turn this around real quick so you can see the back of it. Okay. And then this is what the back is looking like. We have our Disney Princess Paint 3 canvas set. Comes with the paints and activity set. Alright, and then it has an easel that comes with it, and they can display their canvas in. That's the easel there. So this is a really cute, I used one of those bunnies that I got from Temu to cover up that price tag. And I think that this wagon has turned out really cute. Okay, so I just turned it back around. And I did use one of the small plushies. It's not the small one, but it's a unicorn and it's still a good size. These are the plushies from Dollar Tree, but they're not the small, tiny ones. This is one of the small ones, so you can kind of see the difference there in size. All right, both $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So I do try to get the bigger ones. All right, so that's what the wagon is looking like. This is Disney Princess Wagon with our wish doll in there. So please tell me what you think down in the comments. I covered this little area up with tape there so that our eggs wouldn't fall out. And yes, I tested it out. The eggs will fall out of there. So a little piece of tape across there will keep that from happening. Tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Bye-bye, y'all. Hi, everybody. It's Katrina.